All right, here we are back at it again. We are going to be changing out this accelerator pedal sensor for my 2008 Nissan Versa. This is usually what fires the P2135 code. So all we got to do is change this guy out. It was about 120 bucks. You can see it's actually pretty simple. You got 3 bolts right there that'll hold it into the side, and then you got to plug your sensor back in. One thing you're going to want to do is wait till the end of this video, because after we reinstall this, we are going to reset the vehicle in a special way that will recognize this new installation and essentially recalibrate the car to function properly. So what we're going to need is a 10mm ratchet, and it was on the end of there and I misplaced it somewhere, so I need to go find that. And what we're gonna do down here by the pedal, if you can see here, we got the gas pedal, we got these bolts here, here, and up here where my hand is. We are gonna take those 3 out, and then we're gonna disconnect the sensor. And so once we've done that, we're just gonna simply reinstall the next one, or the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, now that we have gotten it out, you wanna check the 2 parts out, make sure everything looks the same. It looks good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one in, put it right back in, the way we took the other one out. You see these 2 little notches here? Those right there, those will hold it in place while you put the bolts in. But I would suggest putting in this connector first here, just to make sure it is snug. And we'll go ahead and do that and show you the next step after that. All right, there we are. It's back in. It's good to go. Those 3 bolts are tight, and this wire is back in place. So what we're going to do next is we are going to reset the system here to recognize that we installed a new pedal. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this here, turn it all the way on, 1, 2, and you're going to keep it off for about 10 seconds. And then at 10 seconds, we are going to flip it back on for 1, 2, keep it off for another 10 seconds. So once we hit 10 seconds, we should be able to turn it on, rev it up, and we will make sure it's working right. Here we go. It feels pretty good. This should solve our problems, and so that is how you change out your accelerator pedal sensor. Hope this was helpful. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.